Have you ever pondered the safety of the gas pump you're routinely using? Does the thought of your card information being stolen keep you awake at night? Well, it's time to put those fears to rest. This video will unravel the mystery and provide a step-by-step guide on how to identify a card skimmer at a gas pump. First things first, always trust your instincts. If something seems off, it probably is. A loose or mismatched card reader might indicate a skimmer's presence. So before inserting your card, give the reader a little wiggle. If it moves around, that's a red flag. Next, take a gander at the security seals. Gas pumps usually have these in place to prevent tampering. If you see a broken seal, it's best to avoid that pump and report it to the station attendant. The third step is to observe the keypad. Skimmers often install fake keypads over the real ones to capture your PIN. If the keypad seems unusually thick or the buttons are hard to press, it might be a sign of a skimmer. Now, let's move on to technology. There are mobile apps available that can detect a Bluetooth signal from a skimmer. If you're at a pump and your phone picks up a long-range Bluetooth signal, it could be a skimmer trying to transmit data. Lastly, consider using a credit card instead of a debit card, or better yet, use cash when possible. If a credit card is skimmed, the card issuer often covers the fraudulent charges. However, with a debit card, your bank account could be drained before you even realize what's happened. To recap, the steps to identify a card skimmer at a gas pump include giving the card reader a wiggle, checking the security seals, observing the keypad, using a mobile app to detect Bluetooth signals, and considering using a credit card or cash instead of a debit card. Remember, your safety and security are paramount. Always be vigilant and take these precautionary steps. You hold the power to protect yourself from card skimmers at gas pumps. Stay safe, stay alert, and keep your card information secure.